Respiration in plants. Top 50. Multiple choice questions. 1. Glycolysis is also known as A. TCA pathway, B. EMP pathway, C. Krebs cycle, D. Electron transport chain. Answer: B. EMP pathway. 2. The net production of ATP from one molecule of glucose during glycolysis is A. 2 ATP, B. 4 ATP, C. 6 ATP, D. 8 ATP. Answer: A. 2 ATP. 3. The final product of glycolysis is A. 2 molecules of pyruvic acid, B. 1 molecule of pyruvic acid, C. 2 molecules of glucose, D. 1 molecule of acetyl-CoA. Answer: A. 2 molecules of pyruvic acid. 4. Glycolysis occurs in A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Chloroplast, D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: B. Cytoplasm. 5. Which of the following is the end product of glycolysis if oxygen is absent? A. Pyruvic acid, B. Lactic acid, C. Ethanol, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 6. What kind of organisms are fungi? A. Saprophytes, B. Carnivores, C. Omnivores, D. Herbivores. Answer: A. Saprophytes. 7. Which of the following steps in glycolysis is an energy-releasing process? A. Fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, B. Glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, C. 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid to 3-phosphoglyceric acid, D. Phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvic acid. Answer: C. 1,3-bisphosphoglyceric acid to 3-phosphoglyceric acid. 8. The net gain of ATP in glycolysis is blank ATP. A. 16, B. 32, C. 4, D. 8. Answer: D. 8. 9. The enzyme that serves as the connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle is blank. A. Phosphenol pyruvic acid, B. Glyceraldehyde, C. Acetyl-CoA, D. Isomerase. Answer: C. Acetyl-CoA. 10. Which of the following is a product of alcoholic fermentation? A. Lactic acid, B. Ethanol, C. Acetic acid, D. Water. Answer: B. Ethanol. 11. Which of the following compounds are not oxidized to release energy? A. Proteins, B. Fats, C. Carbohydrates, D. DNA. Answer: D. DNA. 12. Which of the following is a characteristic of fermentation? A. Requires oxygen, B. Traps more than 7% of the energy from glucose, C. Occurs in the mitochondria, D. Releases a small amount of energy. Answer: D. Releases a small amount of energy. 13. In which of the following organisms is alcoholic fermentation most commonly observed? A. Human muscles during vigorous exercise, B. Anaerobic bacteria, C. Yeast, D. Cancer cells. Answer: C. Yeast. 14. What is the net gain of ATP from one molecule of glucose during fermentation? A. 36 ATP molecules, B. 38 ATP molecules, C. 2 ATP molecules, D. 8 ATP molecules. Answer: C. 2 ATP molecules. 15. The fate of pyruvic acid produced during glycolysis is determined by A. The amount of oxygen present, B. The type of organism, C. The presence of specific enzymes, D. All of the above. Answer: D. All of the above. 16. What is the strategy of the plants to oxidize glucose? A. Oxidize glucose in several large steps, B. Oxidize glucose in several small steps, C. Reduce glucose in several large steps, D. Reduce glucose in several small steps. Answer: B. Oxidize glucose in several small steps. 17. Who discovered fermentation? A. Gay Lussac, B. Louis Pasteur, C. Kepler, D. Ernst Haeckel. Answer: B. Louis Pasteur. 18. In how many ways do different cells handle pyruvic acid? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. Answer: C. 3. 19. What are lenticels? A. Openings on the surface of the bark, B. Openings on the surface of roots, C. Pores on leaves, D. Pores on stem. Answer: A. Openings on the surface of the bark. 20. What is the role of oxygen in aerobic respiration? A. As a substrate for glycolysis, B. As the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain, C. To split the glucose molecule. D. To convert pyruvate into acetyl-CoA. Answer. B is the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain. 21. The Krebs cycle, a central part of aerobic respiration, occurs in which part of the mitochondria? A. Outer membrane. B. Inner membrane. C. Mitochondrial matrix. D. Intermembrane space. Answer. C. Mitochondrial matrix. 22. What is aerobic respiration? A. Partial oxidation of glucose. B. Incomplete oxidation of glucose. C. Complete oxidation of organic substances. D. Complete oxidation of only glucose. Answer. C. Complete oxidation of organic substances. 23. Which of the following is a crucial event in aerobic respiration? A. Simultaneous synthesis of ATP. B. Synthesis of ethanol in water. C. Complete oxidation of methanol. D. Complete oxidation of carbon dioxide. Answer. A. Simultaneous synthesis of ATP. 24. Who discovered the tricarboxylic acid cycle? A. Hans Krebs. B. Ernst Haeckel. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Charles Darwin. Answer. A. Hans Krebs. 25. How many steps of decarboxylation led to the formation of ketoglutaric acid? A. 1. B. 3. C. 2. D. 7. Answer. C. 2. 26. What is the net gain of ATP molecules in glycolysis from one molecule of glucose? A. 4 ATP. B. 2 ATP. C. 8 ATP. D. 12 ATP. Answer. B. 2 ATP. 27. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the respiratory balance sheet of a molecule of glucose under aerobic respiration? A. It involves 30 ATP molecules being formed from ADP. B. It involves 38 ATP molecules being formed from ADP. C. It involves 30 ATP molecules being formed from GDP. D. It involves 38 ATP molecules being formed from GDP. Answer. B. 38 ATP molecules being formed from ADP. 28. What is the primary role of the electron transport chain in the respiratory balance sheet? A. To break down glucose into pyruvate. B. To convert pyruvate into acetyl-CoA. C. To produce ATP by using the energy from NAD and FADH2. D. To directly generate ATP from ADP. Answer. C. To produce ATP by using the energy from NAD and FADH2. 29. Which of the following participates in the reaction catalyzed by pyruvate dehydrogenase? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Water. C. Ethanol. D. Coenzyme A. Answer. D. Coenzyme A. 30. By the use of which of the following structures, plants exchange gases? A. Stem. B. Root. C. Bark. D. Stomata. Answer. D. Stomata. 31. The term, respiratory balance sheet, refers to A. The process of photosynthesis in plants. B. The chemical equation for cellular respiration. C. The net gain or loss of energy, ATP, in a cell's metabolic pathways. D. The amount of carbon dioxide released by a plant. Answer. C. The net gain or loss of energy, ATP, in a cell's metabolic pathways. 32. In the overall process of aerobic respiration, how many molecules of ATP are produced from the complete oxidation of one molecule of glucose? A. 28 ATP. B. 30 ATP. C. 36 ATP. D. 38 ATP. Answer. D. 38 ATP. 33. The amphibolic nature of the respiratory pathway is best illustrated by A. Glycolysis. B. Krebs cycle. C. Electron transport system. D. Fermentation. Answer. B. Krebs cycle. 34. Which of the following statements is correct about the amphibolic pathway? A. It only involves catabolic processes, like breakdown of glucose. B. It is a purely anabolic pathway, focusing only on synthesis. C. It involves both catabolism, breakdown, and anabolism, synthesis. D. It refers to the transport of oxygen to the cells. Answer. C. It involves both catabolism, breakdown, and anabolism, synthesis. 35. The link between carbohydrate metabolism and fat metabolism in the amphibolic pathway is established by A. Glycolysis. B. Krebs cycle. C. Acetyl-CoA. D. Beta oxidation of fatty acids. Answer. C. Acetyl-CoA. 36. In which part of the plant cell does oxidative phosphorylation occur? A. Cytoplasm. B. Stroma of the chloroplast. C. Inner mitochondrial membrane. D. Cell wall. Answer. C. Inner mitochondrial membrane. 37. Why is the respiratory pathway considered amphibolic? A. Because it is a direct breakdown of glucose into energy. B. Because it also participates in the synthesis of new molecules. C. Because it can occur both aerobically and anaerobically. D. Because it is located in the mitochondria. Answer. B. Because it also participates in the synthesis of new molecules. 38. What kind of protein is F1 that is present in complex versus? A. Peripheral protein. B. Embedded protein. C. Integral protein. D. Membrane-less protein. Answer. A peripheral protein. 39. For the fats to be respired, what are they broken into? A. Glycerol and fatty acids. B. Glycerol and ethanol. C. Fatty acids only. D. Glycerol only. Answer. A. Glycerol and fatty acids. 40. The synthesis of ATP during oxidative phosphorylation is directly coupled to which of the following? A. The breakdown of glucose. B. The production of carbon dioxide. C. The movement of protons across the inner mitochondrial membrane. D. The reduction of NADP. Answer. C. The movement of protons across the inner mitochondrial membrane. 41. What is catabolism? A. Joining of substances. B. Breaking down processes. C. Continuous processes. D. Discontinuous processes. Answer. B. Breaking down processes. 42. What is an amphibolic pathway? A. Breaking down processes. B. Another name for catabolic processes. C. Both anabolic and catabolic processes. D. Another name for anabolic processes. Answer. C. Both anabolic and catabolic processes. 43. In mitochondria, which of the following is the site for the oxidation-reduction reaction? A. Inner membrane. B. Outer membrane. C. Matrix. D. Christie. Answer. D. Christie. 44. What kind of compound is an F0 particle? A. Peripheral protein. B. Cutaneous protein. C. Embedded protein. D. Integral protein. Answer. D. Integral protein. 45. The value of RQ is dependent on A. The type of respiratory substrate used. B. The location of respiration. C. The rate of ventilation. D. The type of respiratory organ. Answer. A. The type of respiratory substrate used. 46. What is the RQ for carbohydrates? A. Greater than 1. B. Less than 1. C. 1. D. 0. Answer. C. 1. 47. What is the role of oxygen in oxidative phosphorylation? A. It acts as an electron carrier. B. It is the final electron acceptor. C. It is phosphorylated to produce ATP. D. It is a reactant in glycolysis. Answer. B. It is the final electron acceptor. 48. What is the value of RQ for fats? A. Greater than 1. B. Less than 1. C. 1. D. Infinity. Answer. B. Less than 1. 49. Which of the following is used as a precursor for the biosynthesis of other molecules? A. Phosphorus substrate. B. Nitrogen substrates. C. Carbon skeletons. D. Sulfur skeletons. Answer. C. Carbon skeletons. 50. The RQ value is infinity during A. Aerobic respiration. B. Anaerobic respiration. C. Complete oxidation of proteins. D. Respiration using organic acids. Answer. B. Anaerobic respiration. Thank you. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.